Oyster. It has a rough shell. It makes pearls inside. It lives in shallow seabeds. Clam. It's round and has 2 shells. It hides in the sand. It opens to eat tiny plankton. Scallop. It can swim by clapping its shells. It has bright blue eyes. It lives near sandy reefs. Sea otter. It floats on its back. It uses rocks to open shells. It has soft, thick fur. Horseshoe crab. It looks like a helmet. It has blue blood. It's one of the oldest sea animals. Cutlass fish. It's long and silver. It shines like a sword. It hunts at night. Sea dragon. It looks like floating seaweed. It's related to the seahorse. It hides perfectly in kelp forests. Flying fish. It can jump out of water and glide. Its fins look like wings. It escapes from predators this way. Anchovy. It's tiny and shiny. It swims in big schools. Many bigger fish eat it. Sardine. It's small and silvery. It moves in giant groups. It's food for whales and dolphins. Tuna. It's large and fast. It travels across oceans. It's a strong swimmer with sleek fins. Mackerel. It's shiny with stripes. It swims near the surface. It loves cool, clean water. Cod. It's soft-bodied and spotted. It lives in cold seas. It's popular for food. Halibut. It's a flat fish with both eyes on one side. It hides on sandy bottoms. It grows very large. Flounder. It starts life with 2 eyes apart, but they move to one side. It blends into sand to hide. Grouper. It's thick and strong. It lives around rocks and coral. It can swallow fish whole snapper. It's colorful with a big mouth. It lives in warm waters. It loves to stay near reefs. Marlin. It has a long, pointed bill. It swims fast like lightning. It jumps high above waves. Turtle jellyfish. It's round and flat. It glows softly at night. It drifts near coral gardens. Sea lion. It's playful and loud. It barks like a dog. It loves sunbathing on rocks. Clownfish. It's small and orange with white stripes. It lives among sea anemones. It dances playfully to hide from danger. Blue tang. It's bright blue with a yellow tail. It swims around coral reefs. It loves to nibble tiny algae. Great white shark. It's huge with sharp teeth. It lives in the open ocean. It can smell blood from far away. Dolphin. It's gray and smooth. It lives in groups called pods. It loves to jump and talk through clicks. Octopus. It has 8 long arms. It can change color to hide. It squirts ink when scared. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It lives in warm seas. It travels thousands of miles to lay eggs. Starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow back a lost arm. Jellyfish. It's soft and see-through. It drifts with the waves. Some glow in the dark. Seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a horse. It holds onto sea plants with its tail. Dads carry the babies. Crab.
Run.
It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the sand. It hides in holes when waves crash. Lobster. It's red after cooking but dark green in the sea. It has big claws to grab food. It lives under rocks. Stingray. It's flat and smooth. It glides like a flying carpet. It hides in the sand with only its eyes showing. Squid. It has long tentacles. It can shoot ink to escape. It swims fast by squirting water. Whale shark. It's the largest fish in the ocean. It has white spots all over. It eats tiny plankton, not people. Moray eel. It's long like a snake. It hides in coral caves. It peeks out with sharp teeth showing. Sea urchin. It's round and covered in spines. It lives on rocks under the sea. Some glow purple or red. Sea cucumber. It's soft and tube-shaped. It crawls slowly on the ocean floor. It cleans the sea by eating waste. Angelfish. It's bright with stripes and patterns. It lives near coral reefs. It loves to swim in pairs. Parrotfish. It has a beak like a parrot. It bites coral to eat algae. It poops out sand that makes beaches swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. It swims super fast. It uses its sword to hit small fish. Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand, but it's very poisonous. Wobbegong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark. Dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites round holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the seafloor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton. Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales. Viperfish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchetfish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barreleye fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary, but stays small. Hagfish. It looks like a slimy eel. It lives on the seafloor. It makes sticky slime to escape danger. Lamprey. It has a round, toothy mouth. It can live in sea and river. It sucks on other fish to feed. Sailfish. It has a tall, sail-like fin. It swims very fast in open seas. It raises its sail to herd fish. Wahoo. It's sleek and striped. It races near the surface. It's one of the fastest fish. Flying gurnard. It opens big wing-like fins. It lives on sandy bottoms. It flares its wings to startle predators. Sea robin. It has finger-like fins that walk. It searches sand for food. It can make croaking sounds. Blacktip reef shark. It has black tips on its fins. It cruises shallow coral reefs. It is shy and quick to turn away. Tiger shark. It has faint stripes. It patrols warm coasts. It eats many kinds of food. Bull shark. It is thick and strong. It can swim in rivers and the sea. It likes muddy, shallow water. Sperm whale. It has a square head. It dives very deep for squid. It clicks loudly to find prey. Pilot whale. It is black and smooth. It travels in tight family groups. It follows a leader like a pilot.